Are you? Okay. So good morning to all of you. Let's do today some of the map skill. And are you keeping your map in front of you, the political map of India? Please keep your political map of India in front of you and see in that how this British East India Company has done expansion of the territories.
Ma'am.
Yes. Expansion of territories by the East India Company. We have talked about the first Anglo-Mysore War, second Anglo-Mysore War, third Anglo-Mysore War, isn't it? And fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Then we have talked about the Marathas, first Anglo-Maratha War, second Anglo-Maratha War, third Anglo-Maratha War, then Sikh, first Anglo-Sikh War, second Anglo-Sikh War. So all in this all wars, what was the common? Can you tell me what was common in this?
Ma'am, in all
British won
wars,
the
they
Ma'am, in
were
battle.
all the
British
British
East
India
India
Company
Company,
was.
and they win
Yes,
in all the wars.
yes, very
Ma'am.
good. I want the same answer if you want from you all. Exactly, there was a always British East India Company was win, isn't it? So let's the places where they have done this fight, almost that place was under their control. So first we'll talk about the Mysore. You are going to mark Mysore in your political map of India, all of you. Mysore. सबने मार्क किया कहाँ है मैसूर? मेरा पिन
Ma'am, in Karnataka.
हाँ कर्नाटक. So 106.
जब करोगे तो नया पे करोगे. मैं नहीं, जब एक मैम को बना के दीजिए, ये फर्स्ट निकालता हूँ इंडिया का. जो जो के इरेज कर करोगे तो बना सकते हैं. हाँ, जैसे कि अभी तुम्हारा पूरा मैसूर.
See, page number 106, Mysore you can see,
के
isn't
अलावा और
it?
कुछ बोलिए.
Look here, page number 106.
Yes, ma'am.
मैसूर देखा
वो तो
आपने?
यहाँ कर दिया मैं.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Now you'll show Karnataka. Where is Karnataka?
In south. Ma'am.
कहाँ पर? मैसूर और कर्नाटक कुछ लिंक है? Is there any link between Mysore and Karnataka? मैसूर और कर्नाटक
मैसूर कर्नाटक में ना है.
Mysore is in Karnataka.
तो वही तो बोल रही हूँ. तो ये मैसूर तो इधर बीच में दिखाया था. This whole is Karnataka.
Yes, ma'am.
That was I am asking.
Yes,
साउथ में, बट आपको यही नहीं पता कि मैसूर जो है कर्नाटक में है. यही तो हमें जानना है ना यहाँ पर कि कर्नाटक में ही हमारा मैसूर है. तो यहाँ हमने बात किया मैसूर का. ठीक है. फर्स्ट यू आर गोइंग टू मार्क मैसूर, देन यू मार्क कर्नाटक, आफ्टरवर्ड्स नाउ यू मार्क कर्नाटक के बाद में बंगाल. वेयर इज बंगाल रीजन?
नेटिक है.
बंगाल दिखाइए, पूरा बंगाल. कैन यू शो?
मैम उस समय का बंगाल की मैम अभी का सिर्फ
उस समय का.
उस समय
Can you show? देखिए ये बैरकपुर है ना, ये पूरा बंगाल रीजन में आता है हमारा, ढाका बांग्लादेश। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट यू आर गोइंग टू मार्क पंजाब।
पंजाब,
पंजाब,
मैम उस समय का पंजाब की अभी का पंजाब।
उसी समय का पंजाब। हमने बात किया था ना, वी हैव टॉक अबाउट द पंजाब, द half portions in Pakistan and half portion in India. Punjab before partition and Punjab after partition. That day we were discussing, and even I have shared the video also. Video दिया था मैंने, याद करो।
Yes, ma'am.
Hyderabad, Madras and Bombay. Hyderabad, Madras and Bombay.
बॉम्बे।
Ma'am, Madras, Chennai.
Chennai.
In Tamil Nadu, ma'am.
हाँ, in तमिलनाडु। ठीक है।
मैम हैदराबाद इन तेलंगाना।
हाँ,
मैम मद्रास इन चेन्नई।
yes.
बॉम्बे में।
Bombay after just below the
बॉम्बे इन
Gujarat.
महाराष्ट्र।
हाँ, हाँ।
मैम आज चैप्टर 10 का रिवीजन करवा दीजिए।
Okay. These questions, you know, why did the Britishers force the Indian farmers to grow indigo? Why did the Britishers force the Indian farmers to grow indigo?
Ma'am, because they supply indigo to the China at higher prices and gain profit.
And they gain more profit in very less amount, they get more profit. Why
Yes,
were
ma'am, and
Indian
indigo,
farmers? Say?
indigo is very much famous in the European markets, and and in Europe there is a very high rate of indigo, so that the Indian farmers are forced to grow indigo for England. So indigo more and more.
Why were Indian farmers hesitant to grow indigo? Why were Indian farmers were hesitant to grow indigo?
Ma'am, because
Tell
its
me.
price is low and it will make the soil infertile.
Ma'am, Indian farmers were hesitant to grow indigo on their land because Britishers were forcing them to grow indigo for the export of indigo in many countries, and they buy indigo at low cost and sell them at very higher cost. And farmer will little careless than indigo and will spoil the soil and make it unfertile, ma'am, because indigo is very
good. This was the main reason. Actually, the
indigo
they reduce the fertility of the soil. Indigo generally it reduces the fertility of the soil. So it was very much necessary for the Indian farmers that they were not interested in growing the indigo. This was the main reason.
मैम इंडिगो से ही ना मैम नील निकाला जाता
Ma'am,
है।
the reason the farmer
वही चीजें हैं बेटा।
was to cultivate indigo plants like blue dye.
हाँ, तो it's
They
known
must
as a
be able
blue
night
dye.
also.
Actually, in those time, we were not having any use of indigo. हमें वो blue dye नहीं, हमारे तो natural dye हुआ करते थे. आज भी है ना हमारे natural dye. हेलो, हमारे natural dye क्या है बताओ? ये देखो आदित्य, natural dye हमारे क्या है बताओ? Which one is our natural dye? हाँ?
Indigo.
No,
Cotton.
no. No, dye from which we do dye. हम लोग भी किए हैं dye. Indians, they have also done dye.
Skin, lock skin.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So, can you tell me the national dye of Indians?
Can you repeat the question?
I'm telling you, we were not using indigo as a dyeing purpose, the cloth, but we still have we have done the dyeing, or you can say for the coloring of clothes, because our clothes were in very natural color. That was by making by yarn, and it is little bit yellowish color, isn't it? That is cotton color and yellowish color. So, but we have also done dye of the clothes, but it was not from indigo. What was that product we have used as a dye? It was very
Turmeric.
natural. Yes, turmeric,
Pink.
isn't it? So we have done dye of those turmeric yellowish color, isn't it? तो पहले जो अगर वो कपड़े जो होते थे, खद्दर वाली कपड़े हो जाती थी, सफेद कपड़े होते थे, हल्के पीले रंग में होती थी, वो पूरी सफेद नहीं हुआ करती थी, तो उसको हमने उसको शुद्ध करने के लिए हमने डाई करने का यूज किया, वो भी पीले रंग में, है ना? तो वो पीले रंग में हमने यूज किया. बाद में हमने देखा कि ये जो कलर हुआ हमारे जो मशीन से कपड़े बन के आ रहे हैं, that is made by blue dye, isn't it? It is done permanent dye, that is known as a blue dye. Have you seen that whenever you go for buying the white cloth for your school shirt? Have you been to buy for the white shirt from your school? Sorry, from any shop.
Voice is echoing.
Voice is coming out. Now? See, so what we do, it is already it is bluish in color, isn't it? And in some of the schools they buy khadi clothes, white shirt. That is nowadays the DPS school and all, they are telling that it's very mandatory to buy the khadi shirt. So have you seen that khadi shirt? After what happens? It's in very natural color and it's become very easily, it becomes dirty, because khadi, when you make the khadi clothes, there is no such blue dyes are used in it. So after getting it at home, you only do that thing at home.
मैम
Isn't
उसको
it?
आयरन करने में बहुत मेहनत लगता है खादी के
हाँ.
कपड़े को.
तो उसी तरह से ये चीजें हैं हमारे. So that time we were not knowing the use of indigo, so we already denied for growing the indigo. Okay, as Pavni said, we'll go for the history chapter 10 as the revision part. Again, the same topic, the imperialism has not yet came. Still the colonies are established, and that
मैम वेटिंग रूम चेक कर लीजिए मैम, मैसेज आ रहा है बहुत सारा.
कैसे जा रहा है वेटिंग रूम? अद्वैत वेटिंग रूम चेक करो. You are host, no, you have to check the waiting room, you have missed it. हो रहा है, हो गया क्या? नहीं तो but you have to do it. नहीं, listen now. नहीं तो you stop it then, no? Why you're just continuing? If you want to do some other work, you can just stop and go.
Hello.
हाँ.